All right, we are going to graph this piecewise function, and I'll show you my preferred method. I start by thinking about what each piece should look like. So if I was graphing f of x equals 2x plus 1 alone, it would be a line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 1. And if I was graphing f of x equals x alone, it would be a line with a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 0. So what we're expecting is a piece of each line, a piece of one line and a piece of the other line. And where the one piece stops and the other piece starts is at x equals 0. So let's go ahead and find a couple of points on each line, and then we can graph the lines. So I'm going to substitute 0 into the top piece. So that gives us 2 times 0 plus 1, and that would be 1. And then I'm going to substitute a second number in, and as long as it's greater than 0, you can choose whatever you want. So if I choose 2, then 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5. So we have a closed circle at 0, 1. That's our starting point. We're going to go through 2, 5 and keep going. So starting at 0, 1 through 2, 5 and continue. And let's try to make that straight. Okay, so there's that piece. And then for the bottom piece, I'm going to substitute 0 in, but remember 0 is not part of this interval. So when I draw this point, it's going to be an open circle. So if I substitute 0 in here, I just get 0, open circle, to show that we're not including it. And then let's choose another number, and as long as that number is less than 0, you can use it. So how about -2? And if I substitute that in there, I get -2. So we're starting at 0, 0 with an open circle. We're going through -2, -2, and continuing from there. So just like this.